Enabling data erasure after failed passcode attempts on your iPhone 16 provides maximum security for your sensitive information by preventing unauthorized access through brute force attempts. Here's how to access and manage this feature on the new iPhone. To get started, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, find and then tap on Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your current passcode to proceed. Then, scroll to the bottom and locate the option to erase data. Finally, toggle to turn on the Erase Data switch to enable the feature. Read the message prompt, then tap Enable to confirm. When enabled, all device data will be erased after 10 failed passcode attempts. This iPhone feature provides ultimate data protection but should be used cautiously. Be sure to note, though, that once data is erased, it cannot be recovered without a backup. Should you wish to turn this feature off, just repeat the same steps to head back to the Face ID and Passcode menu, then toggle the Erase Data switch off again. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.